Hey there, welcome to the third part of Advanced SEO Guide. So here we'll be learning about the advanced level. So you have learned the basic and also you learned how to play with the keywords. So this is the final part. So here you will learn the advanced level. So I have tried to cover all the best factors which can affect the SEO and have given you the tutorial about that. So let's begin with the advanced level. So the first thing is social sharing button. So must put the social sharing button on your post or your content. This helps your visitor to share your content. If they like it, they can share your post to their social medias. So always put the social share buttons on your website or on your content. This will help you get more and more shares, and more shares means more and more engagement. More and more engagement means higher ranking. Second, write long content. Now you'll ask me why to write long content. See, if you write long content, that means you are giving a full description, or you are giving a full elaboration of the post or of the content which you want to share about. Okay, so if you write a longer content, Google thinks that you have given a full description or full guide to anything. That means they prefer your long content as the best, and you can rank higher based on that content. Third, reduce bounce rates. Now you'll ask me how to reduce bounce rates. So I have made a video on that, how to reduce bounce rates. You will find it here somewhere in this I button. You go and read or check that video. That video covers all the possible ways how you can control your bounce rates. So so you'll ask me what is bounce rate. So bounce rate is nothing but, that means if your visitor comes on your website and goes back to other website without spending much time on your website, or without spending a good time on your website, that is nothing but a bounce rate. That means your visitors are not getting whatever they want. So for that you must watch that video. There I have mentioned all the possible ways how you can control your bounce rates. Okay, so control your bounce rates. This will help you get more and more rankings on Google. You can be on the first page if your bounce rates will be quite minimum, because Google thinks that he is the person who is giving the right choice, and also visitors are spending more time on his content. So this content is good, so Google rank your website on the top. Fourth, this is also related to keywords. So use LSI keywords and sprinkle them over your posts. Now you'll ask me, what is LSI keywords? LSI keywords is the same keyword or related keyword which other persons are also searching about. Suppose if you'll search about mobile phones under 10,000 rupees, someone also will search that Samsung phones under 10,000 rupees. Someone will search that best phones in 2019 under 10,000 rupees. So these are few keywords which are related to each other. So how to find that keywords? If you will start searching on Google and don't press the search button, you will find out the suggestions by Google that people also search for. Or if you press the search button, if you get the results of search engine results, and then you just scroll it, go down, you will find few keywords and they are written people also searched for. So that keyword is nothing but LSI keyword. Now use that keyword and sprinkle it. Sprinkle it means use those keywords on place to place in your content, so that Google should know that this content is related to what topic. Now this is the fifth and final, image optimization. As I have told you to use images, that means pictures, videos and infographics on your channel, that means multimedias on your channel. So if you use images on your channel, so optimize that. So what to do while optimizing? Use alt keyword or alt tags. In alt tags you have to put the keywords on which you want your website to rank for. Use that keyword so that whenever your image gets ranked on the Google, your website will go up. You will also receive some traffic from that image, because if you search on Google, you find everything: videos, images, and web results, everything on the same page. So if somebody will find your images on the Google search result, if they will click, you will get the traffic, and this traffic will help you boost your rankings. So use alt tags. In that alt tags, use your keywords, so that whenever they search for the keyword, your website, that image from your website comes to their search result. So here is the all the possible factors, which is the main factors which I have covered in this video, and I hope you have liked this tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, please share this to your friend, let other also learn this. And if you find something that I have missed something, you just put in the comment below. If I'll find that genuine, I will make a video on that. And subscribe this channel and press that bell icon, so that whenever I'll make a new video, you will get notified. So see you in the next video. Bye.